Hello and welcome. Today, we are looking at how you prove Pythagoras' theorem. Learning how to prove something is extremely powerful. In mathematics, most of us learn how to do something, but very few of us understand why this works. By being able to prove something, we are able to understand why it works, instead of just knowing how to do it. You haven't truly mastered a mathematics topic until you understand why it works. So without further ado, let's see why Pythagoras' theorem works and the proof behind it. So what I've done here is I've drawn a square. Inside the square I've drawn 4 congruent or the same triangles, just in different locations. Each of these triangles has a right angle, and I've labeled sides A, B, and C. These 4 triangles also form a middle square that has right angles. So, let's look at how we prove this. First of all, what is the area of this square? So, area of the big square that is area's length times width. So we have A and B here, so the area would be A plus B, that's one side, squared, because it's the same here. Or, there's one other way we can find the area, so we all have equal because these are equal, they're both the area, they're the same, just different ways. So, another way you could say this is by adding the middle square and then the 4 triangles. So, the middle square's area is C squared because we have C squared, length times width, so C squared plus, then we have the 4 triangles, so we can go 4 times, how do we find the area of a triangle? 1/2 base times height, so 1/2 base times height, so AB. Now we continue working down. We can expand this, and that will go to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared, once you expand that, equals C squared plus, once you expand this, 4 times 1/2 is 2, and then AB. Now here we can cancel these because they're the same, eliminate them both sides, and we're left with A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And we have just proved Pythagoras' theory. I hope this video was useful. Like if you liked it, comment if you have any questions or feedback, subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you next time.